Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Mazda CX-9 remote battery. Start by collecting a small flathead screwdriver and a CR2025 battery on a clean towel. Find the seam along the fob edge and locate the small release notch. Pry gently to separate the halves and set the circuit board aside on the towel. Handle the board by its edges and keep track of tiny screws or clips throughout the job. Use the flathead to carefully work the notch until the two halves begin to separate, taking your time to avoid breaking tabs. Once slightly open, work the screwdriver around the perimeter until you can lift the top half away. Set the top aside and identify the battery location on the underside of the board. Avoid touching metal contacts and note how the battery sits so you can match orientation with the new CR2025. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the old battery straight out to avoid bending contacts. Place the new CR2025 in the same orientation, ensuring it sits flush and contacts are snug. Rejoin the fob halves and snap or screw any clips back into place. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions from a few feet away to confirm successful replacement and repeat if any button feels loose or unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.